So I went and I had it in my cart. I took it out of my cart. You know the routine. You've all done it. Had it in my cart, took it out of my cart. Went down in price, lost out because it sold out. Then I went back. They notified me when it went back in. And I'm like, okay, I'm going to get it this time. I had some coupons, so it was a good time to do that purchase. So when you have coupons, fully save it. Now, do some of you have a wish list? Do you have the little heart when you look at every item? I don't. I'm the only one out of my friends that don't. I have sent message after message, probably about 3 different times to Temu and said, hey, when am I going to get that same feature to make a wish list? And they said, you don't need it. You buy all the time. We don't need to give it to you. They didn't say that, but I feel like that's what's happening. And they said it's in beta, it's in testing, it's rolled out to some people, it's not rolled out to everybody, but that they will be rolling it out. And I could try downloading the app, which I did. Made no difference. They were just really just like, I said, can you send it to me? Can you just send me a link that I will automatically download your app and it's going to be in there? And they're like, no, we can't. So I don't get the wish list like everybody else. Everybody I know, everybody around me, at work, everywhere, they get that wish list. I don't. So I'm not sure if it's because I have the newest, I don't know. I'm moving on. That's a triggering thing for me. I want a wish list. And I think it's because I have ordered. I don't know. If you got the wish list, you let me know. And then that'll make me happy. At least you have it. So what this is like a little sofa. Like in the day when I was growing up, we had snack trays or snack tables. So this one is supposed to slide underneath your sofa and give you like a little table top right there. We can put it between us on the sofa if we're having our laptop up there. And I just wanted to try it because if it works, if I like it, if it has the balance that I want it to have. So that's what I'm happy about. You know what? I had read some reviews on, I looked at several of them. And this one, they were saying, I thought they were saying it was plastic. So yeah, the top is a plastic piece. Kind of cheesy plastic, but remember, it's a snack tray. It's a little tray for your laptop, which is going to be covering it anyway. I don't care, as long as it holds it. What I'm happy about, though, that I wasn't sure about, is that this piece would be plastic. I didn't want that plastic, so it's not. It's metal. So it has all the pieces right here. I'm not going to unwrap that all, but hopefully I'll put it together and put a picture in here. And then this would fit on top, right like that. And then you can slide it underneath the edge of your sofa. And then this would be right where you're sitting. Let's see how high this is gonna be, because that's as high as it's gonna get. Oh yeah, that's gonna be perfect. It'll be right at the level, right about, I would say about 3 or 4 inches above a standard sofa. Yeah. So I guess the key will be, will it fit under the sofa? So I know everybody has different clearances, just like your beds. I wonder. Yeah, so that's that. So the last couple of items are going to be fun stuff my daughter wanted. Let me get this out of the way. Okay. Bunch of stickers. I'm going to put all the sticker pictures up here one at a time. There's 52 a pack. Let's see. This one is, so this one's called Punk Rose. She knows them by heart, what she picked out. Punk Rose. I'll just pull out a couple so you can see which ones are from which set. So they're supposed to be vinyl stickers, so that's good if you want to put them on your water bottles or whatever. So yeah, they're great. Look at that. That would be great for if you do journaling or scrapbooking. I love the owl. These are really pretty. Okay, so we're gonna have to, I can't show you all of them because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs of stickers. which is why she wanted the sticker containers. So there's a lot of clocks on here. This really looks like vintage stuff. So cute. Okay, so I'll put that away here. Move on to the next pack. This one, and they're usually about 50 each, but you'll see that in the description box below. So this one is 50 pieces. I don't know which one this one is called because we're in my travel trailer studio and I don't have good Wi-Fi out here, so I couldn't look it up on my screen. But look at this. Mega fries with the potato, patch candy or patchy candy. Kinder Surprise. Hello Goba. Gooba. So these are, oh, Pockies. Pocky. Have you bought those before? Those are pretty fun. Fanta. Oh, this is why she got these. Cheetos Flamin' Hot. That's funny. Okay. Oh, KFC. I wonder if they know they have a sticker out here. Those are cute. Okay, so we're going to open up some more here. This one says, one size fits all. One size fits all. Are you putting them in the bags to get them inside? Please. Okay. One size fits all. Aw. Oh my gosh. I think she's going to have to let me have these stickers. Oh my. Okay, these might be my favorite stickers so far. Look how stinking cute these are. And these are vinyl again, so I'm going to be putting some of these on my water bottle. Oh my goodness. Little heart behind. Okay, so I could go on forever with these. Stick man holding the heart balloon. Very cute. Okay, that's some of my favorite stickers right there, you guys. That's super cute. Okay, then we have these hippie stickers. Who doesn't like a hippie sticker? So we put these on, you know, everything. Everything but the walls. Like your laptop, your iPhone, whatever. Hippie stickers, peace. Groovy. Again, these are vinyl, so that's going to withstand some of the water. This is kind of spooky. What is that about? But she's peaceful. She says peace. All you need is love. We know a song by that. Okay. Oh, and a pink peace sign. Love that. Hippie soul. Oh, I like that. You guys, this with the stick figure heart people. Oh, look at this one. These are great stickers. Very colorful. Yeah, okay. I could look at those all day. Oh, hippie. Yeah, I could totally look at these all day long. Peace, love, music. Oh my gosh. I know people love the VW. With the cats? Are you kidding me? Okay, the links will be below. You guys are going to want these. These are worth it. How much were these? Probably $1.25 for 50 of them. Okay. This one here is Hawaii stickers. Who doesn't need a Hawaii sticker? Hang 10. I don't know. Is that old? Is that outdated? Probably. Okay. Kona Brewing Company. So Kona coffee is very popular from Maui. North Shore, Hawaii. Ooh. Kauai. North Shore. Got the hula dance with the sunset. Hawaii sticker there. Yeah, these are really cute. I'm on Island Time. Yeah. Oh, yes. Very cute. Very pretty. Lots to choose from here, too. Let's see if I can find something. It's got the surfboards. Yeah, so more flowers. Boy, she picked out some really good stickers this time. And and there's a Maui sticker in here too. So there you go. We're going to be discussing some of my sticker selections that I'm going to need. I only need like 5, and you got 6 packs here. All again. Okay. 20%. New. So this would be good for scrapbooking. And they're vinyl again. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Only $14.95. These are some weird stickers. 42 golden hits. 40% off until May 31st, as shown. What in the world? 100% guaranteed. What is that a picture of? It's got like an old dinosaur computer and looks like a federal building. 100% guaranteed? I think not. That's why we're so good at it. Okay. Whoever printed these, their cutting was off a little bit. Saved 27% off the newsstand price. So we make a magazine. So yeah, I guess these would be good if you're scrapbooking. This just looks like a black and white photo. 7-Up, Pepsi, and a beer can. Okay there. I'm not really sure what this is a picture for. Who came up with this stuff? Oh my gosh. Oh, and then if you need a little bit of that, free gift bonus with that. 15 cents. Houston special trial offer. Some fruit. 10 cents. Kaboomy. Kaboom. Okay, stop. USA. 15 cents. As seen on TV. So this is and some barcodes in case you needed a barcode. Here you go. And it says no one. And yeah, so somebody got their cut, like, look that. It's not even like on the backing correctly. So that was an odd haul. You might want to stay away from those. That does not seem legit 100%. This set here. Ooh, lots of tiny pieces. Okay, so what's in here? Oh, okay, so these are just like a bunch of letters, exclamation, question marks. Yeah, they're all different kinds of letters. So again, for scrapbooking, journaling, different letters here. That's all they are. All different colors, a few different sizes. Hi. A period. A question mark that's cut off. So, yeah. Okay. Okay. Money well spent. This set here doesn't say the name. But, okay, so if you're a dentist, you might like this. It's a bunch of smiley faces with all different signs and colors. Groovy, man. Groovy. Well, here's some more tie-dye groovy. There you go. Looks just like me. Yeah, these are kind of cute. I like this. I like the smiley faces. Okay, here we go. Hi, my name is Favorites with Laura. Oh, look at this one. Smile more. There we go. I smile too much. There you go. Again, there's like 50 in that pack. We'd be here all night if I went through every single one. But I have to go through some of these. And so this has a couple of rock till the end. I think the end is near for that person's hand. Oh. So this looked like Marilyn Monroe with a bunch of tats. That's interesting. Instant karma. Oh, we want some people to have that, I'm sure, at times. Oh, who does this look like? That looks like Abbey Road, doesn't it? Okay. So this must be a bunch of bands. That's what I'm getting. Oh, The Clash. Let's see if I can find anything. Oh, we know who this is if you've been around and know anything about music. Jimi Hendrix. Let's see. Limp Bizkit. I wonder if they know they have these out here. Oh my gosh, I have to have this one. Elvis. My name is Elvis. Okay. And not sure what, you guys probably know what that is. I don't. Speed Pump Band. Leonard Skinner. Yeah, so these are kind of different and cool at the same time. Motley Crue. Nope, that's not. It looked like it. Oh, there we go. So that video kind of ended abruptly. I'm sorry about that. I don't know what happened, but I wanted to thank you all for watching. And if you like this video, remember to like and share it if you want to. And I invite you to subscribe and hit the little bell for future videos. And again, thank you all so much for helping my channel grow. I appreciate you all. Thank you.